21. Who was the architect of North and South blocks of the Central Secretariat in Delhi? A. Sir Edward Lutyens. B. Herbert Baker. C. Robert Orr Russell. D. Antonin Raymond. The right answer is B. 22. If the Anglo-Indian community does not get adequate representation in the Lok Sabha, 2 members of the community can be nominated by A. Prime Minister. B. President. C. Speaker. D. President in consultation with the Parliament. The right answer is A. 23. For the election of President of India, a citizen should have completed the age of A. 25 years. B. 30 years. C. 35 years. D. 18 years. The right answer is B. 24. A member of Parliament will lose his membership of Parliament if he is continuously absent from sessions for A. 45 days. B. 60 days. C. 90 days. D. 365 days. The right answer is B. 25. In India, the residuary powers are vested with A. Union government. B. State government. C. Both the union government and the state government. D. Local government. The right answer is A. 26. The National Commission for Minorities was constituted in the year A. 1990. B. 1992. C. 1980. D. 1989. The right answer is B. 27. In which of the following systems of government is bicameralism an essential feature? A. Federal system. B. Unitary system. C. Parliamentary system. D. Presidential system. The right answer is A. 28. Socialism succeeds in achieving A. Higher standard of living of the people. B. Equal distribution of income in the society. C. Higher individual welfare in the society. D. Maximum social welfare in the society. The right answer is B. 29. The seat of Madhya Pradesh High Court is located at A. Gwalior. B. Indore. C. Bhopal. D. Jabalpur. The right answer is D. 30. Who said that the directive principles of state policy are just like a check on bank payable at the convenience of the bank? A. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. B. K. T. Shah. C. B. R. Ambedkar. D. N. G. Ranga. The right answer is B.